Hello everyone, Rachel here with McWane Science Center, and welcome to today's episode of SciSparks. In this episode, a riddle. Stick around, the answer might blow your mind. Here's the riddle. In front of me are two balloons. When I aim this hairdryer at the balloon on the left, it goes forward. The one on the right does the same thing. No surprises there. But what will happen if I aim this hairdryer in the middle? Let's find out. Turns out the balloons moved together. So what's going on? Maybe this can help us understand. When I blow on this ping pong ball, it flies up. That makes sense because air exerts a force. Those molecules of air are bumping into this ping pong ball, sending it up. But watch what happens when I keep blowing. The air blows it away, yes, but it also pulls it back into its path. This is thanks to something called Bernoulli's principle. Air always exerts a force called air pressure, pressing on every surface it surrounds. But the faster the air moves, the less it can press. In other words, the faster the air, the lower the air pressure. And that is Bernoulli's principle. You can see it in action with this beach ball. Fast air moves it away, but the surrounding still air has greater air pressure, and it's that pressure that holds it in place. Let's take another look at our balloons. Air is pushing equally on all sides of the balloon until we blow air through the middle. That lowers the pressure between the balloons, but doesn't change the pressure on the outside. With more pressure on the outside, our balloons are pushed together. And here's the thing, this same principle applies to our airplanes. Air moves faster above the wing than it does below. Faster air, lower air pressure. And ta-da! Our airplane is pushed into the sky. We have Bernoulli to thank for helping innovate modern transportation, bringing communities thousands of miles apart together. But we can also use it to do this. Thanks for tuning in to SciSparks. To catch new episodes as soon as they're released, subscribe to McWane Science Center's YouTube page or visit us online at mcwane.org. Until next time!